In today's fast-paced world, the convenience of dining out or ordering takeout has become the norm. However, there are significant advantages to preparing your meals at home. Let's explore why cooking at home is a delicious and nutritious choice. Control over ingredients. Cooking at home gives you full control over the ingredients that go into your meals. You can choose fresh, whole foods and select high-quality ingredients, avoiding additives, preservatives, and excessive sodium or sugar. Portion control. When dining out, portion sizes tend to be larger, often leading to overeating. By cooking at home, you can manage portion sizes to ensure a balanced and appropriate amount of food. Nutrient-rich meals. Preparing meals at home enables you to pack your plate with nutrient-rich ingredients. You can incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your recipes. Customized to dietary needs. Cooking at home allows you to cater to specific dietary needs or restrictions. Whether you follow a particular diet, have food allergies, or prefer a specific eating style, preparing your meals grants you the flexibility to adapt recipes to your unique requirements. Cost savings. Preparing meals at home can be more cost-effective compared to dining out. By buying ingredients in bulk, planning meals in advance, and minimizing food waste, you can save money in the long run. Embrace the joy of cooking, savor the flavors, and unlock the benefits of nourishing your body with home-cooked meals.